Hello everyone. So first of all, Sawadi. I'm from Vietnam. So it's very nice to be here today to present about my startup. So it's an application in FinTech and in short. So we make it simple for everyone to invest in stock and Bitcoin. And the problem is in Vietnam, specific in Vietnam. So it's a very complicated to invest in stock or in crypto or even in other assets. You need a very strict KYC, and also you need to register account on a brokerage company. Also, the second problem is you need minimum amount to start investing. In Vietnam, lately people can buy one stock, but before we need to buy 100 stock. So you need a specific amount of money to start. And the third problem is no financial plan guidance from advisor. So the solution is we want to give people a solution that for small people, so everyone can buy stock and Bitcoin starting from $1. So the solution number one is people can buy and invest in stock and Bitcoin from small amount without a recurring plan. The second solution is we offer fractional share investing, and also we offer fractional crypto investing. So the benefit is you can start as little as one, so it's very low risk for everyone to start. Also, you can compound early. Imagine that you buy Bitcoin $1, you buy Bitcoin back in 2011. So right now it can turn into like $24,000. So when you start early, you can earn compound interest in the future. Also, for the mass, start investing early, make better life, because you can learn to manage your finance. You learn about personal finance. So the case study number one is if you invest daily with $1 into Bitcoin from July 2017 to July 2022. So the total amount invested is 1,826, but you will get like the value of the portfolio is higher than 8,000. So it's around 340% increase. The case study number two is if you invest monthly with $30 into Apple stock, starting from 2017 to 2022. So the total value is $4,199. So it's quite increased if you start only investing only $1 per day. So the features of the feature is here. So recurring buy, you can set a plan auto recurring buy for your investment. So daily, weekly basis. So at every time the application will buy it for you, and you can manage your portfolio from crypto, stock, or even like other assets like gold or real estate. So the business model is subscription fee, also the portfolio management fee and transaction fee when people buy Bitcoin and stock. So the product roadmap is the first phase is we launch the application integrated with mobile wallet, bank account, and allow people to buy. The second phase, we will open micro loan for user and also portfolio management service. And the phase three is DAO investment. We offer exclusive deal and also exchange. So here is the comparison with a competitor in Vietnam. So you can see that we offer hybrid platform and higher scalability. The team, I have 11 years working as entrepreneur with a lot of companies founded in Vietnam. So we have advisor team in crypto and investment as well. And we are raising $100,000 here for the pre-seed. So thank you for your time, and it's very happy for me to be here in Bangkok to present my company.
So thank you so much for the presentation. So just want to understand about the customer persona a little bit more. Could you please describe like the age of your target segment so that we understand more about them?
Okay, so for the phase number one, thank you for your question. The phase number one, we target the unbanked people. So in Vietnam, there's a lot of we call micro business. So people selling on the street, or even we target student, because like our platform allow people to start investing early as $1. So they can start learning about personal finance by investing early using our application, and they can tell their friend that they're investing in global stock like Tesla share or Apple share. So it's like the starting point for people.
Just a quick follow-up question. Since it's an investment platform, right? Just want to know if in Vietnam you need license to operate your business.
Yes, we need license. But in our advisor team, that we have people that they already working on crypto and investment company. So basically, we are the platform that we connect to different service provider. So we are just like a hub for people to start the investing journey. So people user go to our application if they choose to invest in crypto. So we direct the fund into our service provider, an exchange, and similar with stock, we direct the investment into a brokerage company in Vietnam.
How about other platforms that operate in globally? Are they like entering Vietnam already, and how you can compete with them?
Yeah, so the biggest one right now in the world is Cash App. Cash App is an application in US, and in 2021 they have 2 billion in profit and 40 million users. So, but to do it like a financial service in Vietnam, you need license, and also you need to understand the behavior of user, because in Vietnam that usually people follow crowd. So that crowd philosophies usually that people follow their teacher, something like they listen to their friend and they are like trust this friend to invest. So for the global competitor to come to Vietnam to acquire this market, so it's quite hard for them. Usually they will find some startup to buy, or they need to do market research for several years before coming in.
Hi, thanks for the presentation. How far along are you in the process in terms of developing the product?
Currently, we have the MVP. So right now we have application on Android and iOS.
Okay, cool. I guess from my vantage point, I think these things already exist, right? So I'm not as clear as to why you want to build another one there, but I do understand the angle here is to give access to the unbanked, which I think just a few comments there. They're a tougher group of customers. They need more education, and with your fundraise, from my perspective, 100K is definitely not enough. So I think that's something you might want to reconsider, maybe raising a bit more if this is really your target.
Yes. Because like in Vietnam, there's like several companies do that, but as we in the comparison basis, so usually they are not like a hybrid platform. They offer a stock, they are crypto exchange with unregulation. So we try to be like something more user friendly for people, and the reason why we are raising 100,000 is because like we're looking for the next round after that. Not only just this is just a current round right now, pre-seed, and then later we looking for the seed round later, and also later again.